this video, we are going to see about the BMC on Google. Google is a global technology company that operates a platform-based business model centered on information and digital services through products like search engine, YouTube, Android, and Google Cloud. It delivers value to billions of users worldwide. Using the business model Canvas framework, Google creates value by offering free, accessible digital tools while generating revenue primarily through advertising and cloud services. Its strong technological infrastructure, data capabilities, and AI-driven ecosystem enable it to scale efficiently and maintain competitive advantage in the global digital economy.
When you think about the company Google, it was established by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in the year 1998, and they had their IPO in the year 2004. And the company began its expansion in 2005 and had a global impact in 2012. And now Google continues to be the top global company in terms of search engine, AI, and advertisements. Think about the customer relationships. It's a self-service platform that's user-friendly, and it personalizes users' demands. And it also has automated dashboards, help center, and community support. It has AI-driven recommendations which personalize the user's needs.
Coming to the customer segment of the Google is providing multiple end-to-end applications for the individual users. Mainly they use this for the search engine for getting the information in a real time and giving up personal user emails, and also they're providing the YouTube for the video contents and the Google Maps for the location trackings and Android smartphones based on the hardware applications. The value proposition of the Google delivers different value proposition to each segment. For the end-to-end users, they gives them fast and relevant information access to get an highly accurate search engine results, and they also can integrate the ecosystem such as the Google Maps, Gmails, and cloud storage like in Google Drives. For an advertising, they gives us a massive reach for the billions of users, and they gives data-driven camps for analytics and pay-per-click models, and they also provides the more cloud infrastructures for the companies and the global data centers for the AML model tool to be trained for the enterprise applications, and they also gives the spacings for the content creators into access the global audience and give the ad revenues for the sharings and content the discovery of an algorithm.
Yeah, this is Ritvik, who's going to speak about key activities and key partners. So Google's key partners include device manufacturers like Samsung, Realme, Xiaomi, and other companies who give hardware to run their Android OS. So as well as Google partners with advertisers and marketing agency as for their Google Ads services, and key partners also include users like content writers as well as YouTube channel creators. And additionally, they have infrastructure partners to power their servers, which are NVIDIA, and as well as Google has its own chip which is manufactured by TSMC. So in terms of key activities, we have to take a look at Google. While Google is improving on their Google search algorithms, now they are moving into AI and machine learning, and this has a massive gain over the past 2 years for Google, and it also also works on innovation on Android, Chrome, YouTube, and other services, as well as to highlight their Gemini model and video image generation model, which is VO. So Google has moved from a software company. Now they are focusing towards on AI to bring constant innovation, and they're working towards a different business model than what they relied on earlier.
So I'm here to discuss about the key resources and as well as the cost structure on the Google. So the proprietary models. Proprietary models are the transformers, are the blueprint for BERT, and which powers the search and Gemini. These models now Google's most valuable intellectual property. Custom silicon. Custom silicon involves the Google's TPU, which is tensor processing unit, which become a key resource actually because they are uniquely optimized to run the transformers and data lake. It's the ability to process the entire web throughout the transformers model turned Google's massive data index into a training set. And the cost structure. The cost structures are instead of just investing on the engineers, they also invest on the billions on the capital expenditure because for data centers for AI. And energy cost. Energy cost is still the transformers require a massive amount of electricity and training versus inference. So Google must balance a high one-time cost of training a model rather than ongoing cost of inference.